Guys, mabinigay sa akin dito yung ate ko. So, yung ate ko. Tapos ito, 100 speed daw. Tapos, sabi dito, you are steady, sleepy, angry, or lazy. So, pupunitin ko na lang.
Pakita mo. Pati ba naman pagbukas?
You got amazing, spectacular, running outwards, LOL, just wanted to waste your time. And then, ito, wait for 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, buksin na natin, guys. Wag.
Hi guys!
Ano ba? No. Old book.
Puzzle.
Puzzle. House with angry face.
Sabihin mo sa kanila.
Guys, nakalagay scam. Sorry guys for wasting your time.